Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about how to choose industry in LinkedIn. So we'll learn how to choose the industry in LinkedIn. So let us get into the class. So this is my LinkedIn page. So you can access your LinkedIn page and go to the Me profile, click on the Me profile, and you can see here settings and privacy. So click on the settings and privacy, and you'll be having account preferences, sign security, visibility, data privacy, advertising data, notification. So in that, you have to choose account preference, and you can have here like name, location, and industry. So here you can click on this thing, and you can direct to the industry. So as as my name is first name is Achyut, and the last name is Florida. And so this is the industry. So this is the industry. So I'm a front-end developer. So I'm a full stack developer. So I know both front-end and back-end technologies. So that's why I'm choosing the information technology, IT and services. So based upon your requirement, for example, if you are a trainer, if you are a trainer, so you can choose trainer. So here you will be having professional training and coaching. And if you are a digital marketing professional, so type digital marketing, or you can write marketing. So you can have marketing services, capital market, market research. So based upon your professional experience, you can choose the industry. So if you are an educationalist, you can choose an educational or a trainer. And if you are a marketing professional, you can choose the required marketing thing in the option, industry options. So you'll be having 149 industry options. So if you want to learn more about the industry options, you can click on this thing, and you will be having the detailed explanation of industries, options for profile and pages. So based upon that, I can edit LinkedIn page or showcase page, change industry or company information on your profile, and you can ask related questions. If you have, I can click on these links and you can verify it. So, but now I'll close this thing. And so this is how we can choose the industry. So industry in LinkedIn. So I can choose anything. So technology, information, and internet. I can choose anything. So this is what I can choose. So based upon your professional experience, you can choose the industry. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class about how to choose your industry in LinkedIn. Uh, if you like this video, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.